Salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our siyam. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Welcome my brothers and sisters to another day in iftar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. And still we are talking about the home of the kings and queens, which is Jannah. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, that the people of Jannah will wear the garments made out of silk, and they will have golden bracelets, and even the soil, the land, or the soil in Jannah, it has the smell of musk. And when we talk about Jannah like this, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told us that the reason for the believers to enter Jannah is the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he said, لَن يَدْخُلَ أَحَدُكُمُ الْجَنَّةَ بِعَمَلِهِ. None of you will enter Jannah just because of his deeds. And they said, even you, Ya Rasulullah? He said, even me, إِلَّا أن يتغمدني الله برحمته, except if Allah showered me with His mercy. And when we talk about the people of Jannah, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam advised the believers to renew their iman, to be able to seek Jannah. So we are not seekers of dunya. Now remember Auntie Maryam, when we talked about these lectures, that what is the difference between the Muslims and non-Muslims? The Muslims are seekers of the hereafter, whether they got dunya with it or not. Other than this, they concentrate only in dunya. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talked about them, and He said, وَمَا لَهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِن نَصِيبٍ, and he will get nothing on the day of judgment, means those who are concentrating only in dunya. And since we are the seekers of the hereafter, since we are the seekers of Jannah, our ultimate goal is Jannah, our home is Jannah, we are taking this life as temporary life. Because we are thinking that after a short time, we are going to go home. So now my question before the dua, who needs to go home? Who needs to go home? And what is our home? No, I didn't hear it. What is our home? May Allah let us all enter Jannah. Let's make our dua before Jannah. اللهم لك الحمد يا ربنا كما تحب وكما ترضى. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. اللهم توفنا مسلمين وألحقنا بالصالحين. اللهم آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. اللهم تقبل صيامنا وصلاتنا وركوعنا وسجودنا وتضرعنا وتذللنا. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Jazakallah khairan. Before Adhan, I just wanted to remind you that we have announced the Quran competition, the Islamic knowledge competition, and the Quranic Arabic vocabulary competition. And I had sent to you the link for registration. I want all of you, inshallah, to go to our website, www.icnpr.org. Go to the website, register, put your information to the Quran competition, Islamic knowledge competition, and Quranic vocabulary competition. I'm waiting for you, inshallah. There is no limit for the age. There is no limit for the age. It's all about participating. I want all of you, inshallah, to participate. Inshallah, Brother Khan will participate, inshallah.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Asyhadu anna ilaha illallah. Asyhadu anna ilaha illallah. Asyhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Asyhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Hayya 'alas salah. Hayya 'alas salah. Hayya 'alal falah. Hayya 'alal falah. Allah